So this is the chicken's run, and it does have a roof on it, which is full of snow. And just find it interesting that the wind blew enough that every bit of the floor in here is covered. So their feed barrel still has feed in it, but we've got feed inside the coop. That's the water system. If you look closely, you can see that light is illuminated, meaning that the heater is heating the barrel. Unfortunately, I've already checked and I know that the cold overcame the heater, so we've got ice in the barrel, and all of the cups are filled with snow. So what we're concerned with is not only feeding the chickens, they're not going to come out here to eat for two reasons. One, they're not going to come out, and two, I've got the door closed. That helps it stay warmer in the chicken coop. This is what we've been watering them with, and you can see maybe that it's ice. I've dumped the water out. So we're going to, I've already put a crock pot on warm inside the coop. Okay, so there's the cord coming over from where I have power already. There's all the chickens huddled, wishing that it wasn't so cold. They got food, got a crock pot warming up the water, and we're going to call it good. Goodbye, ladies. Lots of snow in the backyard here. We've had bunny rabbits and squirrels, a lot of birds. We've got the bird feeder is filled there, and we've had a lot of visitors. I'm out here now, so I guess they all flew away.